Question 19. Shape S is 1/4 of a solid sphere centre O. The volume of S is 576 pi centimetres cubed. Find the surface area of S. Give your answer correct to three significant figures. You must show your workings. So, if I want the surface area of S, it's this formula here. And notice the formulas that you don't have to learn are given to you on the right page. So the surface area, equals 4 pi r squared. You can see I've only got 1/4 of the shape, so at some point I'm going to divide it by 4. All I have to work out is the radius. Now I'm not given the radius, so I'm going to have to come and use this formula. So the volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. Now we're told the volume of this shape, 1/4, is 576 pi. The formula is for the volume of a sphere, not 1/4 of it, so I need to times that by 4, and then that will equal 4/3 pi r cubed. Getting to that point picks me up a mark. If I pick up my calculator and do 576 times 4, you can see I get 2,304. So 2,304 pi equals 4/3 pi r cubed. The reason why we have pi there is that we keep it as an exact answer. If I then times it by pi, I will get a decimal number and the rounding brings some error. I'm doing this because I'm trying to work out what the radius is so I can substitute it into the formula over here. If I have pi on each side, they can cancel out. So I've now got 2,304 equals 4/3 of r cubed. The opposite of multiplying will be dividing. So I've got 2,304 divided by 4/3 because it's multiplying r cubed over here. And if I've got a cube, to undo it, I need to take the cubed root, and that will give me r. Let's pick up our calculator again. So if I pick up my calculator, I need to do the cubed root of 2,304 divided by 4/3. That gives me a value of 12. So I now know that the radius is 12. Second mark. So the surface area of a sphere, I hope you can see for the bit of the question I want, I can cancellate those two 4s. So my surface area here then, it's tempting to think it's going to be pi times 12 squared. I've cancelled the 4, so I don't need to worry about 1/4 of it. But it's not just that. That's going to pick me up a 3rd mark, getting that far. But I have to recognise that the surface area is the area on the bit on the surface on the outside. I've got these two bits as well to think about. These are two semicircles, so if I put them together, I've got a circle. So the surface area of the orange bit, so the area, is going to be pi r squared because it's a circle. And that's going to be r squared, or 12 squared is 144, 144 pi. There's my 4th mark. So to get the final mark, I need to add this bit, the surface area, the bits on the outside here, to this bit, the two orange parts. 12 squared is 144, so 144 pi plus 144 pi is 288 pi centimetres squared. The question says to three significant figures, and I've got that. So I've got my fifth mark. If you did write it as a decimal, you would have to put 288 pi into your calculator. 904.77. So to three significant figures, it would be 905. The 9 is the first significant figure, the 0 is the second, the 5 is the third, and you would have got your fifth mark with 905 centimetres squared. Really difficult question, but the type of question that's coming up quite a lot in the past papers.